Blessed peace and love to my people as always. You don't know this is ShottaFlowtv around here. Right about now we're going to talk about the country and its richness, where there is so much fun and stuff to do in the island of Jamaica. A great place to be. Plus, you can spend your vacation where you know say happy vibes. You got the clubs, you got resorts, you got beaches, you got the river, and you don't know say you got them girls you go party with also. You have your brethren them, you can go play a game, chill, have a drink, many things to do around here. That's why I tell us I love Jamaica. Because the freedom here, you don't really find it anywhere else in the world. So we have to appreciate our island. The island of Jamaica, where it's just one love we say, you know, and one heart in the richness and the blessings that we get from above, as always. Can hear the beautiful sound of the island, the birds singing, tweaking, all these things is magnificent. And also, one more thing let me have to talk about. Don't forget about the good old food. Remember, the good food, wherever you name it. I man, you don't know say ital food, me say, you know. But for the others, you know say on the food, bless up same way. Remember me tell you that. We have to give thanks. You understand, for the richness and the greatness and the freedomness, same way where we get. Because although many things are happening, still some part of the world is worse than many other places, and we are one that is blessed where we get a lot of abundance and freedom. So we have to appreciate these things. Don't forget that, you know, we have to appreciate these things in life. It's just that is so much that is there to give thanks for. You know, my people, I saw the thing go, you know. It's what me I say. I want to bless upon yourself as always, you know, and keep on your head straight for nobody, you know. Because you don't know, say, a firm and strong we say. You understand? And love we say. You see what me I say? Yes, I. You don't know, say, this is ShottaFlow around here, you know. And we just come for just speak some things, you know, in general, you know, because, you know, I wake up today and the sun is shining and, you know, the place look green and beautiful and everybody just in a calm state right now. Look later we're going to watch some football, you know, soccer, you understand, and I saw the thing go, yeah. And then little later we come back in and play some bingo game, you understand, and then later in the little night now we chill with the family, you don't know, with the missus. I saw the thing go. And you don't know, so we just burn out the weekend, you know, to the Sunday, so you know, work a morning again, back to the field of hustling, because we have family to take care and all of these things, you understand what I say. But that's how the vibes go, keep it moving, you know what I mean, Rastaman vibes, you understand what I say, real vibes around here. You don't know, say, you know, at the Patwa style, we chat this thing, you know, because, you know, that we know best. You understand me, people? So, sorry if you don't understand what I say, but that's how the thing go, yeah, man, because, you know, man only can do what they know what to do, and that I man know if you do, if you speak this language, you understand that my born and grew up in a, so me have to give thanks. But anyway, my people, just go and blessed and big up on yourself, you know, as always. I want to have a blessed and loving day. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest ShottaFlowtv around here. Say that. Bless, peace, and love always.